skip trace a list in PropStream. To skip trace, make sure to have a list already built within PropStream. You may also import an outside list to our contacts page. Begin by selecting skip tracing, then select contacts. A good thing to note is if you have Lead Automator or on the Elite or Pro plans, you'll receive skip tracing for free. However, if you are on the Essentials plan, you will be charged 12 cents per contact. Now, locate the drop-down menu labeled Available Contacts at the top and choose the list you'd like to skip trace. There will be 4 options. 1. Contacts. These are the lists that you have imported using the Contacts page. 2. Favorites. These are your individually saved properties from our search page. 3. Marketing lists. These are your saved results after searching and filtering on our search. And 4. Skip tracing jobs. These are lists that have been skip traced in the past. As you can see, you can skip trace an individual property or several. There are no minimums when it comes to PropStream skip tracing. After selecting a list, check off the individual names or select all the names that you'd like to skip trace. Click on Add Selected Contacts to transfer all the checked off names to the Selected Contacts box below. You'll know you're headed in the right direction as the names will be highlighted in yellow. Proceed to the next step by selecting Done, followed by the Next button. Step 2 will show you the potential cost of your order, if any. The amount you see on your screen is an authorization amount and will vary depending on your account plan. Remember, if you have a Pro plan, Elite plan, or Lead Automator included in your plan, skip tracing will be free. Once the order is completed, your account will review your results and charge you for what is returned depending on your account plan. Click Place Order, and after you've read the pop-up carefully, select I accept. Step 3 will thank you for placing your order and allow you to name your skip trace list, so feel free to use the same name as the original or change it. Select Done to exit the skip tracing pop-up menu. Your results will populate within a few minutes. Head over to the Contacts page, locate the skip tracing section, and select your list. Your results are listed in chronological order of best and most recent to oldest. Please refer to our blog on skip tracing best practices for more information on this topic. The link will be below. By the way, PropStream flags contact information that are on the D&C and litigators list at no additional cost. You can also see the same information in greater detail by clicking on the contact card, and if need be, you may also make adjustments as you see fit. The last thing you want to do is export your results out of PropStream. If that's the case, select All or an individual address, followed by Export. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for the latest news and updates on PropStream.